Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to pin recent folders to quick access in Windows 10. Right-click Start button, Run. Copy text from description and paste it. Click OK. Right-click Quick Access, click Pin to current folder to quick access. Recent folder is added to quick access. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.